Look at the work of this woman who was arrested by the police. She shifts into the driver's seat and hijacks the police car.
David 136, suspect just stole my vehicle.
Officers panic and take further action, and her journey is seen on the car's camera. After a while, she is arrested again. Even though they are kept as pets, these animals are fierce. Seeing this will make it clear to you how they are predators by birth. Do you know that all the cars here are destroyed and recycled? This step has been taken by the company that produced this car due to a defect in this car. They have recovered and done this. Here is how the organism grows inside an egg. The face and body parts and the blood vessels and heart are clearly visible. Special training is essential to perform these types of stunts on ice. What has happened to this dog? When the owner caresses him, his teeth make this noise. This is happening at a great speed. This is a place where there are very big and dangerous sea waves. See the danger faced by a person who comes to his rescue when a person playing in the waves of several meters falls into danger. The first thing you see are those beautiful eyes, right? An exclusively black cat. The way he plays by looking at both sides from time to time is very funny. As if seeing something moving around. What can be the replica printed by this 3D printer? These types of machines can produce a three-dimensional replica of something. Slowly the figure emerges and a familiar face emerges. It's the face of the villain that everyone sees in movies.